Coconut oil for weight loss. Increase metabolism, accelerate weight loss. Virgin coconut oil is ideal if you are looking for an all-natural, organic way to lose weight fast. People often assume that all oils and fats are bad. This is a common misconception. In the 1940s, farmers actually thought this same thing. They figured feeding the stock saturated fats from coconut products would fatten them up. Instead, their livestock were leaner than ever before. They solved the problem by feeding the stock soybeans and corn feed, full of polyunsaturated fats. The polyunsaturated fats are what keep us gaining no matter how much we cut back, unless we cut it completely or use a weapon, like coconut oil, to combat their effects. One study even showed that giving MCTs, like in coconut products, for 6 days increased diet-induced weight loss by 50%, increased weight loss by 50% by adding fat to your diet. Dr. Bruce Fife claims coconut oil can actually stimulate thyroid activity, give you more energy and stave off hunger. Not everyone agrees with Dr. Fife, but as someone who has personally lost over 90 pounds, I feel like I'm living proof, and I'm waiting for these naysayers to provide theirs. The Mayo Clinic says that 95% of people who lose a substantial amount of weight will gain it back within 5 years. Many gain more than they lost in the first place. This is because the lifestyle changes people make to facilitate the body or health they want are usually not sustainable for the long haul. Adding coconut oil to your diet does not require a change in your regular diet or exercise program for you to notice significant weight loss. Of course, the coconut oil may make you feel fuller longer or give you more energy to exercise, and in that case do not hesitate, but it is not required to start seeing pounds melt away. Now, take these inevitable results and add the simple little changes anyone can make to the diet and activity level, and you won't believe how easy it is to finally have the body you've dreamed of. I look better than I did in high school and I have had 2 kids. I blame coconut oil for making me lose weight and keep it off. Ready to add coconut oil to your diet? When adding coconut oil to your diet, it is wise to gradually increase dosage daily by taking 1 tablespoon the first day, 2 the second day, and so on until you reach the recommended 3 to 4 tablespoons daily. When you add coconut oil to your diet, you are naturally detoxifying your body at the same time, so you may feel mild flu-like symptoms during the first few days. This can be alleviated to some degree by staying well hydrated and rested, and if need be, take a couple days before increasing the dosage. You can then expect to see results in as little as 2 weeks. Another important thing to mention is that coconut oil can be absorbed by your skin and utilized much in the same way as eating it. This is fantastic news, I know, because so many people don't enjoy the taste of coconut. The taste and smell of virgin unrefined coconut oil is light and palatable, but if you don't like it, add your favorite essential oil to mask the scent and rub it on your skin. Your skin will thank you and you will thank me. If you try this for yourself, please come back and let me know in comment section how it went for you. I'd love to hear other people's results, as I know how excited I am about mine. Some interesting fact about coconut oil: coconut oil is made mostly of MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides. MCTs are immediately converted to energy instead of being stored as fat. MCTs enable and increase metabolism. Coconut oil increases your body's ability to absorb important nutrients. Coconut oil does not convert into trans fats when cooked or fried. Coconut oil can be used for all types of cooking, even frying. When cooked or fried, coconut oil can be used for all types of cooking, even frying. Coconut oil is a butter replacement on toast, bread or rice. Add to blended drinks for a smooth, creamy texture. Many find it easy to eat it by the spoonful. Here are some delicious recipes to get you started with your new coconut oil weight loss plan. Remember, along with these recipes, you can also simply substitute coconut oil for oil or butter in your favorite recipes. 1. Chocolate pecan fudge. 4 tea melted sea oil. 3 squares of premium baking chocolate, melted. 3 tea of ground flax seeds. 2 tea of shredded coconut. Chopped pecans. 2 packets Splendor. Line an 8x8 pan with foil, spread in pan and refrigerate, cut into 8 bars. 2 crispy coconut chicken salad. 2 boneless chicken breasts. 1/2 cup unsweetened shredded coconut. 1/4 cup ground flax seed. 1 egg beaten. 2 tablespoons virgin coconut oil. 4 cups mixed greens in vinaigrette. Cut chicken in strips, mix coconut and flax seed, dip chicken in egg and then roll in flax coconut mixture. Sauté in coconut oil until crispy, cool. Serve over greens. 3. Roasted winter squash soup. 4 cups roasted winter squash. 1 large onion, diced. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 32 ounces chicken or vegetable broth. 32 ounces regular milk or unsweetened almond milk. 2 tablespoons coconut cream concentrate. Pinch of nutmeg. Seed and cut the squash and bake in 1/2 inch of water in a pan at 350 for about 1.5 hours. When the squash is done, sauté onion in coconut oil for a few minutes until caramelized. Add the rest of the ingredients and simmer together in a pot. Season with salt and cayenne to taste. Blend mixture in blender until smooth and return to pot to warm before serving. 4. Rise and shine smoothie. 2.5 cups kefir, yogurt or buttermilk. 1 whole mango, fresh or frozen. 2 handfuls strawberry, fresh or frozen. 1 or 2 frozen bananas. 1 to 3 tablespoons raw honey. 1 tablespoon freshly ground flax seed. Pour your choice of cultured dairy into the blender. Add in mango, strawberries, bananas and honey. Add flax seed and or egg yolks if desired. Give it a whirl till smooth, and while it is blending, add coconut oil and let it run for a minute more. Pour into a tall, large glass and top with coconut flakes and extra ground flax seeds if desired. What do you think? Is this helpful tips? Let me in comment below to share with us your ways of fat fighting. Don't forget to share the video with your friends to keep them motivated, and click subscribe to join us on the Weightverse of life.